Hello and welcome to Brass Bands England's new website. So in this video I'm going to show you a brief overview of the homepage and then how you can now use the website to both take out membership and also renew your membership when it's time for your renewal. So here we are on the homepage. Now to get here you just need to type bbe.org.uk into your browser and it will take you straight here. So once you're on the home page, we've got a few bits and pieces. So at the top here, we've got a bar that's got various bits of information in different areas, such as the members' resources and news. In the top right up here, we've got a space for member login, and we'll deal with how to log in and create an account in a later video. As you come down, we've got a highlight space. In here at the moment, we're highlighting the tickets that are on sale for Philip Harper's artistic development events, the next one being in Loughborough on the 1st of December. You can also follow our Twitter feed, which has got lots of different information about brass bands and particularly with our members, what's going on. Then we've got some highlights. These will change over time. At the moment, we've got the entries that are open for the National Youth Champs. We've got some information about the different insurances that we offer, which will save our member bands some money, and then some information about DBS checks, which members can get for free. Then just below that, we've got some space for news from our members. So if you're a member band and you've got news that you'd like us to share, please send it in and we'll get it up there. And then below that, we've just got some space at the bottom, which has got some general information about Brass Bands England, our supporters, and general bits and pieces. So if you would like to join Brass Bands England, or if you would like to renew your membership, all you need to do is along the top here, click on Join Us. So that will take you through to the first page, and in there is some general information about membership, the sort of things that we offer, and then there's a little bit about the 2.5% discount that we're now offering for members that pay by a reoccurring payment method. So that's either direct debit or a reoccurring card payment. So for most people, you'll be looking at band membership. Although if you're an individual that would like to support Brass Bands England, you can take out individual membership on the right-hand side there. But for now, I'm going to click on band membership because this is what most people will use. So if you click on that, that will take you to this first page. And again, this is the page that most people have been using for reoccurring annual membership. So there's a brief summary of the prices. So these prices here are the discounted prices, which you'll pay if you use a reoccurring payment method, and you get your 2.5% discount. Again, the payment methods for this can either be direct debit or reoccurring card payment. If your account needs two signatures, you can still take out a direct debit and get 2.5% discount, and you'll also then save time and faff on your annual renewals. We'll just be able to email you in advance of the payment coming out, and you won't have to do anything. Now, to do that, you then just scroll down the page, and there's a form to fill out here. What you need to do is begin with by selecting the membership level that you are, whether that's either 1, 2, 3, or 4 or more band membership, or if you're a youth or student band, there are other discounts there available for you. So for now, I'm just going to click on one band membership. Then there's a form there ready for you to fill out, and now we've had payment options has appeared. So you can select direct debit or debit or credit card. If you've got a direct debit, you can then go ahead and fill out the form and click submit your application. This will then take you to a summary page. Please make sure you then also click the finalise application button, because otherwise the application won't be complete. Now, if you didn't want to pay by a recurring method, you can click here where it says if you wish to make a one-off payment for 1 year's membership or to pay by cheque, please apply here. That will take you through to the application page to just pay for 1 year's membership, but you won't get your 2.5% discount for that. You could also click here to go to individual membership, which we talked about before. So I'll go to click for one year membership here. Now this has taken us to the annual page, and again there's a summary of prices, and you'll be able to choose and fill out the form exactly as you were on the other page. But you'll notice when you click on that, you get some different payment options. So now you can pay either by debit or credit card, by PayPal, or you can send a cheque. But please note that if you want to pay by cheque, because of the costs involved in cashing cheques now, we have had to add a £25 admin fee for paying by cheque. And to do that, just make sure you've selected the right membership level. So for a one band paying by cheque, you just need to click the offline admin charge price. And then when you select that, you'll be able to submit your application and send us the cheque. Thanks for listening. I hope that's been helpful to you. And I'll see you in another video soon.